In this quick tutorial, we'll show you how to create a simple bar chart in SPSS. It's one of the easiest ways to visualize categorical data. Our dataset contains grades from 20 fictional students. We want to see how often each grade occurs. A bar chart is perfect for that. To create a bar chart in SPSS, we go to Graphs, then Bar. In this bar charts dialog box, we ensure that the simple bar chart icon is selected, and under Data in Chart R, we make sure that Summaries for Groups of Cases is selected. Then we click the Define button. This brings up the dialog box that you see on screen. We select the variable we want to chart, in our case grade, and move it to the category axis box. We can either use the arrow button or drag and drop it. Under Bars Represent, we select the option we want for our chart. To display the number of students per grade, we select N of cases. We can also add a chart title. We just click Titles, type our desired title, and then click Continue. Finally, we click OK, and SPSS will generate our bar chart in the output viewer. Here's the result of our example. The x-axis shows the grades, and the y-axis shows how many students received each one. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.